Oh my god, am I seriously
You need
missing
one more?
one? I hate life. I hate life
One.
so much.
Oh, don't worry. I know how you feel. I'm still looking for those 3 purple coins in the Mushroom Kingdom.
No, you shut up. Alright, fuck this. I gotta piss. I'll be right back.
Oh, dang.
Aww. There he goes, like a true man.
Yeah.
Answered the call of nature.
Yep. Hey, I'll give Slacker $100 if he posts a message right now.
You don't want to do that, he probably might. You never know with that guy.
Alrighty. Get out. Stop drowning. Please. I need you to live!
It'd be funny if he died, like, trying to get that last coin.
Found
And then
it.
he had to start.
That's what
Oh,
I
there it
said.
is! There it
Oh,
is! There it is!
Woohoo!
Yay.
What does 2 mean?
I don't know.
Got 2 lives now?
No. No, I have 1.
You suppose. That's all you need.
Bird, give me my fucking thunder egg. I wish to depart from this realm of
Now you gotta go
existence.
find the Thunder Egg.
Seriously though, give me my thunder egg.
Thunder Egg sounds like a euphemism for something that you do in an outhouse.
We're already 10% done with the game. Oh right, that's how I do thunder egg thing. Oh yep.
That's it?
Yep, I put all the opals into this thing.
Wait. Look at him go.
Holy crap, it's like a beehive.
There's an entire swarm of them.
That's
Wait,
it.
where do they all go? What does the hole look like?
I don't know, it's closing though.
Okay.
And it's closed
Get
forever.
Yeah. You get that.
Oh, look, another
one of those
FMV
lizards just got
cutscene.
crushed.
Oh, I found it!
We found a
Let me
lizard
see that.
coin.
At last, a mystic talisman. It's time to move out. We got 4 more talismans to find. You there, fetch my bags. Soon unimaginable power will be mine. Mine.
It just cut when I thought he was going to say something else.
Nope, that was it.
Yes,
Yes,
Thunder Eggs power this talisman machine. Make sure you visit all the portals.
So
That's it.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe there are 8 per stage. Okay, vote. Do I want to go to Walk in the Park? Or do I want to go to... What is this one called? This one's the beach level, right? Shipwrecks.
Oh, these are some great names.
Walk in the park.
Walk in the Park? What does Chalice
I
think?
don't know, Shipwreck sounds cool too.
Oh gosh, dang it.
Flip a coin.
I don't have one.
I have one.
I have one, actually. It's a
I
quarter.
have one.
Chalice, call it.
Heads.
Tails, cool. We're going to Walk in the Park.
Okay.
Alright, that's the wrong way.
Gosh dang it.
Oh, cool. You're about to go into the level I want. Wait, what was the first one called? Oh yeah, Rainbow Valley.
Look, it's Big the Cat.
That fresh
Yeah.
rainforest there. See the
Rainpower is here.
surf the slippery water slide.
That water slide is going to piss me off so much.
Oh yeah.
You sure you want to do this level first?
I thought this level was a
Yes,
walk in
because
the
if
park.
I die, it'll be on that water slide. And that'll be the end of the recording session if that happens.
Did you just
Excellent.
get hit?
What? No.
Oh, I thought you just got hit by a wallaby.
That was fast. No, I'm gonna. Oh.
G'day, Ty.
Oh, come on, this guy again.
Who is Shaza?
You'll see.
Time, that truck has broken down at the end of the forest road.
Yoo-hoo.
But if
It's like the Thai version of Amy.
Pretty much. Actually, no, I take that back. Amy is obsessive. Shaza isn't.
I thought that Shaza was, who is Crash Bandicoot's girlfriend again?
I forget her name. Don't really care though.
It's like her.
Yeah, no, that's pretty much it.
Crash Banuka.
2.
2 cogs,
Huzzah.
0 thunder eggs, 37 opals.
38, 39, 40, 41, 42,
The
43,
best part about not having to sync
44,
this video is that it's
45.
really long the whole time.
46.
There's 300 you have to collect in this.
300
in
per
this?
stage. 10 cogs per stage, 8 thunder eggs.
Oh, you just killed that bug.
Yep. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna talk
get
to
out of the
I'm
way.
not gonna talk to Cockatiel anymore. It's annoying as hell.
Oh, what would Kafka think?
I don't know. I don't really care.
A picnic basket.
Picnic at that.
Hey, look, a life you don't need.
That's fine. I'm doing fine on my own. Oh man, the water slide is coming up and I am not ready. My body is not ready.
All right.
What's wrong about the water slide?
You will see.
You're trying to delay the inevitable, aren't you?
Well, I'm trying to collect everything.
And also to delay it.
No. My goal is to 100% this game, hardcore or not. Preferably hardcore though, because it gives me a Steam achievement. Oh, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Hate the water slide. Burning passion.
Hey, look, it was Froggy.
5 already.
Look, it's Froggy.
Yeah, I know.
Here's the water slide. No.
Nope.
Oh, you're gonna die.
Nope.
Did you take fall damage?
Nope. You'll know when I take damage. Yeah.
How?
You'll know. You'll know.
Why?
What? Because it's pretty obvious. Stop asking
How do you
dumb questions.
regain health?
Pie.
Hey, I got this thing. Watch as the enemies just stand there doing nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
seriously.
While you celebrate.
I believe that's it. Yep, that's it. That's it.
Off to the water slide of doom.
Oh no, I'm putting that off. Okay, so if I break open this picnic basket, it'll give me a pie. Full pies will restore all my health. Slices will restore, I think, 1 or 2 pieces. And I think I have 3 health until I beat till I beat the game, and then I'll have 6.
Yeah, but that's when you beat the game.
Yeah, so I might rush the game and then come back and collect everything once I have 6 health. That is a strategy.
Really? You're gonna skip the waterfall?
No, I have
Come
to.
on.
That's where the end of the stage is.
You should have went with my choice.
I would have had to deal with it either way. And the worst part is if I
here we
have to
go.
come back for the opals. I forgot how slow Ty can go on this thing if I really want him to. Nope.
Didn't just go slow.
I mean, that's kind of the game plan. It's like I'm taking this baby mode.
Well, sometimes you just have to wimp it out in order to get the good things.
Fuck you! Oh my god!
Wait, was that?
Yep, that was it.
That was a little damage.
Wait, you only have 1 hit point left?
I have 2 more. And if everything goes according to plan, I should be able to regain my health before I take another hit.
Well, at least you're collecting everything.
Yep. Fuck you. Fuck you. And we're not done yet, boys and girls. There's more.
Very nice.
Well, you better get your hit point back.
Oh, there it is. There we go.
Nice.
That's one less worry. Oh boy.
Hey, at least hardcore mode is giving the challenge you need.
It's not even challenge. It's the exact same game, just with 1 life.
Wait, you missed a cog.
I missed a lot of things. I think that was my first Thunder Egg. Holy crap, these are really spread out. Oh gosh.
Jump, man, jump.
I don't wanna.
Jump, the sky's the limit.
Yeah, well, I don't expect the skybox to be pretty big in the first place. No!
Ah!
Oh, look, you cut yourself. Come on, Radimir, you can do it.
Please.
Believe in yourself.
Yay! I got the Bilby? Yeah, Bilby. That's what they are. Little marsupial rat things, rodents? I don't know.
Wombats? Dingoes?
Dinkelberg.
Got the jiggy.
Jigsaw.
Oh, ukulele's going to the Switch.
Thought that was already a thing. It just took them forever to get around to it.
It was already a thing. It's just now it's going on the Switch
Right.
now.
These outhouses actually serve no purpose now. That's right. Hi. I bet you want something done, don't you? Actually, let's go ahead and just skip past your dialogue real quick. Or should I skip past this
Monkey.
dialogue?
Well, it isn't the bird.
G'day, Ranger Ken.
I need a favour, mate. There's a flock of cave bats in there.
Cave bats?
Yeah, so just throw some dynamite in there.
Wet season, and we need to move them out before the caves flood.
No worries.
Force them out with an explosive.
No worries. Fair dink.
Kill them all. What, you
That
don't need the
frog
frogs
was
out of it?
levitation. Frogs can survive.
Yeah, well, just how to solve the frog problem. If you got to move the frogs in there, just kill them all.
Oh, hey, look, it's the mode that you barely need to use.
Yeah, like I said, very rarely. It'll happen, but oh. Is this seriously where I just fucking listen? I hate life.
What is that bouncy butt thing?
Bouncy butt thing?
Yeah, sometimes you keep like bouncing on your butt.
Oh no, that's not bouncing on my butt. That's just jumping before the animation returns to a standing.
Oh.
Like if I just jump repeatedly, it does look like he's bouncing on his butt.
Yeah. Ah, Ty, we don't need to look inside your body. Was that them?
Yep, these are
Bats.
indeed bats. Let's just take one more look at it.
Oh my gosh, they're even more annoying than the bird. Listen how annoying they are.
Oh, don't worry, I hear them. Gosh dang it, Ty.
On ya, mate.
Oh, it just just clips.
Oh, you beauty!
He says that a lot, doesn't he?
Mm-hmm.